Hello guys, today I'm going to show you Minecraft. Wait a minute. I'm going to see if my last video uploaded. I'm going to YouTube. My videos. Yes, please watch this. My own server. Clash Royales. Bed Wars. Kogo. BMG Kogo. Clash Royale. Snake.io. Minecraft. So, on my last video, I said I'm going to update my server, and this is the update. Let's play the parkour. This is the weak server. This is not fully upgraded. Soon I will upgrade. My Minecraft lag. Look at this. I'm crouching with this arrow and this. I'm crouching too. Okay. I can't believe I make it. No! I died. But this is my secret things. No. Oh man. Oh no! Oh. I put here my things. That's that one. And read this. Just pause the video and read that I'm pointing. Just pause it. Okay. So,
wala, tapos na to, tangi. Wala na wifi.
I'm going...
Eh, wala na wifi.
Sorry guys, there's no internet. I can't continue my server. Okay guys, this is the last. So I'm going to post this video. Please watch, please subscribe and like. Bye.
Ha? Ha?
Yep.